Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up and how to install a free VPN on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So at first open your browser, then go to 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website we can see how websites see our location. As you can see, we are in Poland and Krakow now, and it's true. But now go to Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Click on it and install it. Choose Open, agree and continue. Click on the cross on the left top corner. And cool. Now just click on the card on the center of your screen. And cool. Now as you can see we are connected to United States server on Denver. So now just open to ip.io website and let's see how websites see our location now. So reload to ip.io website. So Denver server is overloaded. So open Turbo VPN, disconnect from Denver, disconnect from this server, and try to connect to the to another VPN server. So click on the globe on the right top corner, and for example I want to connect to Germany. So choose Germany free server, and now go to ip.io website and try to reload this page. So as you can see we are in France, but now VPN is working and it's really working. We are in France, not in Germany, but VPN is working. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.